So another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. And today we're going to look at this Black+Decker hedge trimmer. Now, I tend to prefer battery powered tools, but when it comes to hedge trimmers and things, I don't really mind a cord because I'm not going to be using it a ton. If I was a professional landscaper, yes, I may want it battery powered, but if you're a homeowner, a DIYer, this is generally all you're going to need. How many times a year do you trim your hedges? Two, three, one. You're not going to need battery power usually for this particular tool. And I do believe the corded version gives this thing a lot of power. So I've had this tool for probably 3, 4 years, maybe even 5. It's a 22-inch tool, works extremely well. I mean, I cut some pretty good sized branches, probably up to about 3/8 with this without any problem at all. And it has held up really great. So if you want a good hedge trimmer, do yourself a favor and grab yourself one of these Black+Decker trimmers.